had dreams and a second-hand sofa, paid the bills with a prayer and a grin, held each other through crying babies, and swore we'd never let the world win.
Now their team's too cool for my stories, and I laugh while they roll their eyes.
I guess love don't fade, it just changes its shape. When you're watching time fly by, sometimes you learn more about love when you lose it than you ever did when you had it in your hand. Love ain't a promise, it's a journey you move through, from holding hands with your kids to watching them drift like sand. Oh, you learn more about love when you lose it than when you had it planned.
We used to dance in the kitchen till midnight. Now I just hum to the ghost of your song.
I see your smile in our daughter's defiance, and your kindness where our boy belongs.
I used to think love was just staying.
Now I know it's what you leave behind. Every touch, every word, every lesson lives on in their stubborn shine. Sometimes you learn more about love when you lose it than you ever did when you had it in your hands. Love ain't a promise, it's a mirror that moves you, from holding hands with your kids to letting go, 'cause you understand, yeah, you learn more about love when you lose it than when you had it planned.
Time don't heal, it teaches grief don't fade. It shows the weight of love is measured in the letting go.
Sometimes you learn more about love when you lose it, when the laughter fades and the house feels strange.
Love ain't gone, it's just changed its language.
It's in every tear, every name. Yeah, you learn more about love when you lose it, and I'm still learning every day.
From holding hands to letting go,
that's where love really grows.